Okay guys, so we're back again. So today we're gonna test this Vont Light Strip Pro. So these are LED lights, and on the previous video I installed this behind my monitor. Those are amazing. But today we're gonna test this one. These ones are sequential, so this one is gonna be super cool. Okay, but this one I'm planning to install it behind the desk like this, and then like that, and like that under the desk. Okay, so let's unbox it, let's test it, and let's see how good they are. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Vont Light Strip Pro. So this is the Pro version. So this is the LED strip. This is 16 feet long strip, and this is the power cable, and this is the remote. It has 3 buttons. This is to turn it on, to change the color, and to change the brightness. Okay, and then it comes with the alcohol wipe to clean the areas that you're going to install it. These clips to mount the cables to make it more clean. Okay, these ones, and it comes with the warranty and the instructions. Okay, so all of this is what it comes inside of the box. So to connect this one, you have to connect this. This one has 3 holes. This one is for the strip. You connect it right here. Okay, and after you connect that, it has this connection for the power. This one you will connect it there, and then the power you can plug it on the wall. Okay, and after that the light will work. Okay, so this is the plan. As I already said before, I want it behind the desk like this, and then under my desk. I think this is gonna look cool. Let's do it. Let's start with the installation of this. Today's video is sponsored by Vont. Vont, they have a lot of nice and cool products for your house, for your car, LED lights, so check them out. The link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. And also I have a 10% off coupon code that I'm gonna put in the description of the video too. So check the link. Thank you, Vont, for sponsoring this video. Let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so now let's test the app. You have to download the Vont app, this one, and then when you get the app, you have to hit the plus sign to add the device. Okay, but I already added on my phone. This one I put the name Desk Strip. This one is the 16 feet Strip Pro. This is the Pro. Okay, so let's see, let's go to the app, let's go to the color first, and then you have to, this one has this cool option. You have to select, you can select all and change it to red. Maybe you can see everything is red, even the one on the bottom. This one over there. Looks great, but it has something cool. You can select only parts of the strip, like this one. You can select this and put this in blue. Oh, let me select more. This one, blue. So I have blue over there and red on the bottom. Red over here and blue over there. That's amazing. But this one, I like it in this blue. Beautiful. That color is amazing. So now let's test the scene, the more options, but for that let's turn off the light. Let's see. Yes, like this. Amazing. So let's see what more options. Look at that. That's amazing. So it has party, candlelight, it's light, right? That's nice too. Christmas, ghost. Or it has a lot. This is the festival. Let's go to the live. That's alright. It's just color fading, like it fades. Oh, that blue, I love it. Let's go for a different one. Ooh, that's amazing. Look at that. Now this. See another one. Yes, rainbow. That's nice. I like that one in blue. Excited. It means excited. Okay. See this one. Rainbow again. Warm. That's nice. It fades a little bit. That one. It's cool. I like the blue one. It's amazing. Profound. That's the name. I like that one. Nature, like this one. I like this one. Lighting. Look at that. Super nice. It's like a lighting. That's amazing. Okay guys, so those are all the features for this one. Has a lot of features. You can play a lot, but I don't want to make the video too long. So this one is amazing. I love it. I recommend it. The link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Okay guys, these are the Vont Light Strip Pro. These are the Pro version. They are amazing. I recommend it. Look at that. Has a lot of features. They are very bright, and the amazing thing is that you can change the one area in red, another in blue, and the other one like in another color. Okay, so it's amazing. I recommend it. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below, but remember, you have to download the app to get more options and more features. Okay, also I have a 10% off coupon code. I'm gonna put it here and on the description of the video for you guys. Okay, if you have a question, put in the comments. Okay, and if you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.